Hi, I'm Sheri Cifaldi-Morrill, and welcome to my small but mighty studio. I'm an artist who blends principles of graphic design and quilting techniques to create work that could be decorative, functional, or both. In other words, I make quilts that are art. My work blurs the divisions between art, design, and craft. In my process, I combine digital technology and tactile art. My work often begins with a pencil sketch before being digitally drawn on my computer. Instead of printing or electronically publishing the design, I use the file as a plan to create my art with fabric and thread, stitching the materials together on a sewing machine or by hand sewing. This approach allows me to explore my modern aesthetic with a traditional medium. I'm interested in challenging common thoughts of what a quilt should look like while honoring and contributing to the rich tradition and future of the craft. I find inspiration in shapes found in nature and everyday objects. Much like creating a puzzle, I focus on how both regular and irregular geometric shapes fit together to create bold imagery. Each shape is cut out of fabric, and then the shapes are precisely sewn together to create the work, a process similar to collage or organized assemblage. Many of my quilts are sewn together using a technique called foundation paper piecing. I transfer my design to paper and then sew my fabric pieces with the paper attached, using the line drawings or shapes of the paper as a guide for where to sew. After the piece is sewn, the paper is then removed. Once the composition is complete, additional stitches, the quilting, is layered on top, almost like a drawing. The design, colors, density, and texture of the quilting help support the geometric shapes as well as the overall concept. My business, Whole Circle Studio, specializes in the design of custom modern quilts, products, and licensed surface design illustration. Each quilt is designed and made by me with high-quality cotton fabric, batting, and thread. These art quilts are pieces passed down to and cherished by future generations. I love collaborating with clients, both individuals and organizations, to create custom quilts that are artistic and functional. We start the design process with one of my existing designs, or we brainstorm a completely new concept and design from there. All of my quilts can be decorative and can be hung as a work of art, or functional to be used on a bed or to snuggle up with on a couch. My purpose is to enhance people's lives through beautiful and meaningful design. To learn more about my process and to see my work, please visit my website at wholecirclestudio.com.